We're filming.
Come on, we're so close. I'm coming, wait for me. Here we go. Shot is coming. We're so close. It's too loud. Why'd you do that? Are you kidding me? We're so close to winning. Are you serious right now? It's not my fault we were loud and angry. Seriously? Have you ever been in this situation where you were very mad at someone?
Or have hurt someone or something.
Well, here at GreenWood, we use mindfulness every day to be in charge of our reactions.
Sometimes tells me to stay calm when I get upset.
It helps me to think before I react.
Mindfulness helps me be present.
We are going to teach you a mindfulness technique that we use in class called the Starfish.
Here's how to do this. Start with raising one hand in front of you.
With the other hand behind yourself.
As you trace up, breathe in. As you trace down, breathe out.
Try it with us.
Start at your thumb and breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Now let's see what should happen if we are being mindful.
Rewind!
We're so close. I'm coming. Wait for me. Hurry up. Shot is coming. We're so close. It's too loud. What? Wait, this is Starfish.
Sorry we were being loud. Next time you can ask us before you do anything and be real quiet now.
I guess so. You want me to do it?
Yes!
If you are upset, remember to pause and be mindful before you react.